This case considered the issue of rectification of a will, and whether or not there was sufficient evidence for the court to rectify a will where one of the beneficiaries had died before the death of the testator. In this case, a woman who had no relatives and no next of kin made a will naming 2 executors and leaving her estate to 3 people in equal shares. One of the beneficiaries had died before the woman herself had died, but she was unaware of this. This meant that the share of the beneficiary's share would now go to intestacy, and since the woman did not have any next of kin, it would go to the Crown. The executors brought an action and sought the rectification of the will, and argued that her true intention was that all of her estate would go to the beneficiaries and none of it was to go to the Crown. The central issue for the court was whether or not there was sufficient evidence for the court to rectify the will to avoid the issue of intestacy as to the portion of the gift that had failed. The court ultimately